Today I am reviewing the Samsung 34-inch ViewFinity S50GC series Ultra-WQHD monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When you spend hours every day sitting in front of a computer, screen real estate becomes your absolute most valuable asset. Juggling multiple spreadsheets, jumping between browser tabs, and keeping communication apps open can easily clutter a traditional widescreen monitor. Today, we are taking a deep dive into an expansive display built to solve that problem and supercharge your everyday productivity. The Samsung 34-inch ViewFinity S50GC series ultra-wide monitor, known officially by the model number LS34C502 Gangsa. This flat, ultra-wide display offers a massive canvas designed specifically for professionals, multitaskers, and entertainment lovers who want to maximize their workflow on a single screen. The immediate standout feature of this monitor is its cinematic 21:9 aspect ratio. Moving away from standard widescreen formats, this ultra-wide layout provides roughly 30% more horizontal screen real estate than a traditional display. Samsung pairs this spacious canvas with a razor-sharp ultra-wide quad high-definition resolution of 3440 by 1440 pixels. Built on a premium vertical alignment panel, it delivers incredible picture clarity, crisp text, and a massive static contrast ratio of 3000:1. This means you can comfortably view 3 full-size documents or web windows side by side without needing a cluttered, multi-monitor desk setup. For creative professionals and media consumers, the color presentation here is remarkably deep. The ViewFinity S50GC supports high dynamic range HDR10 content, capable of reproducing up to 1.07 billion distinct colors. Compared to standard displays that are limited to just 16.7 million colors, this panel delivers over 60 times the color depth. This translates to incredibly smooth color gradients, deeper blacks in dark zones, and bright highlights that pop. Whether you are editing digital photos, color grading video projects, or streaming your favorite ultra-wide cinema films, you will experience the content exactly as the creator originally intended. Recognizing that professionals often work long hours well into the evening, Samsung integrated an advanced, TUV-certified intelligent eye care system into this panel. The monitor features a built-in ambient light sensor that constantly scans the lighting in your office environment, automatically adjusting the screen's brightness to prevent eye fatigue. This is bolstered by Samsung's Eye Saver mode, which filters out excessive short-wavelength blue light, alongside flicker-free technology that stops the invisible, rapid screen blinking that causes headaches during long work sessions. While this display is optimized for productivity, it is no slouch when it comes to entertainment and casual gaming. It breaks past standard 60 Hz limits to offer a smooth 100 Hz refresh rate, paired with a 5 millisecond gray-to-gray response time. This means that scrolling through dense web articles, dragging video editing timelines, and playing fast-paced games feel remarkably fluid and blur-free. To completely eliminate visual stuttering and horizontal image tearing, it includes built-in AMD Radeon FreeSync support, which automatically locks the monitor's refresh rate to the frame output of your graphics card for a seamless entertainment experience. To make the absolute most of this ultra-wide space, Samsung has loaded the display with dual HDMI 2.0 ports and a DisplayPort 1.2 input, which unlock powerful split-screen features. With picture-by-picture, you can display video inputs from 2 different computers simultaneously side by side at their native resolutions. Alternatively, the picture-in-picture mode allows you to resize a secondary source into a smaller corner window, letting you monitor a live stream or background render while keeping your primary focus on your main work task. Wrapped up in a stunning, 3-sided virtually borderless aesthetic, the display looks beautiful on any desk and minimizes bezel distractions completely. If you want to streamline your desktop, clear away the clutter of dual cables, and experience elite multitasking capability, the Samsung ViewFinity S50GC is an exceptional choice. Thank you for listening to this comprehensive review.